Hi, welcome to QuBites, your bite-sized pieces of quantum computing. My name is Rene from Valorem Reply, and today we're going to talk about quantum computing impact we're already seeing today and where we are already seeing return of investments quite a bit. And I'm honored to have a special expert guest on the show again. You might remember Marco from the previous episode. And hi, Marco, welcome again.
Hi, Rene. Hope you're fine.
Yeah, I'm very well. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background as it relates to quantum computing?
Yes, very shortly. I got a degree in physics, then a PhD in computer engineering. In the last 20 years, I have worked always in information technology, in consultancy. And in the last 3 years, I've worked on quantum computing for Reply.
So a real PhD expert here. Well, that's impressive. But let's break it down in chunks so that I understand it without a PhD, all right? So tell me a little bit about the impact we're already seeing today, especially when we are applying quantum-inspired optimization, which we covered in the previous episode. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about some of the key areas we're already seeing and maybe expand on one example with one of our clients where we're applying that.
Yeah, so let's start from an example that is a real project that we have done for a multinational energy company. This company, every day, they send out, more than 300 carts to do maintenance activities. They are going to fix something in the energy distribution lines. Mm-hmm. And so they have to do a lot of work and a lot of kilometers with these carts. And what they want to do is to minimize the distance that they have to travel, because traveling it is a high cost. You pay for the gasoline, you pay for the carts, you pay for the people. So you want to travel the less and work the more.
Yeah.
And this is easy to say, but it's very, very hard to calculate. It's a MP hard problem, if you want to call that in a technical way. But however, it's very, very hard to calculate, to find the optimal solution with standard algorithms and standard computers. Mm-hmm. It's very hard. You find a solution, but maybe it's not the best. Yeah. Maybe you can travel 10% less, and you want to travel that 10% less. Yeah. So what is happening? It is happening that quantum computers and quantum algorithms are very good in doing this. Mm-hmm. So in the last 3 years, we have worked on this. And we are seeing in real customers, real projects, that you can enhance the solutions. So you can make these customers save money, a lot of money. We talk about millions of dollars.
Wow.
Because you travel less each day, or you spend less in the finance transactions each day. So optimization is a very, very pervasive field, and it applies to finance, to logistics, mm-hmm. to energy, to travel, a lot of areas.
Right, and the example you showed is basically the classical traveling salesman problem, right? Which you have some optimization algorithms already, but they might get stuck, like you mentioned, in a local minimum, right? And with quantum-inspired optimization, you can achieve a better global minima. Basically, the minimum you have to apply energy into the system, right? And so you can save money, and also, especially if we're talking about traveling and having people on the road with their cars, also carbon footprint as well, right? Which is very important too.
You are perfectly right. This is the case. You explore more solutions in less time, and you find better solutions. Sure, you have to do it right. We have published also a scientific paper, peer review, on Springer quantum machine intelligence, because you have to do it right. But if you do it right, you find better solutions, and you can run also on classical hardware like GPUs.
Right.
GPUs, they are very good. And in the meantime, we wait for bigger QPUs. Well, we are happy with GPUs.
Right. So we have these quantum-inspired optimization algorithms. They can run on classical hardware or already optimized for quantum computers once we have enough qubits, and it will just fly on those machines. And we're already set up. We're already seeing huge impact on classical hardware. I mean, that is really impressive. Thank you
That
so
will
much.
be crazy. On quantum, that will be crazy. They will really fly.
It will just fly, right? Like a rocket. And you can explore all these in parallel, these kind of different, routes and so on. And yeah, no, that is awesome. Thank you so much for joining us today, Marco. It was a real pleasure again to hear about all your insights and your customer story, where we're already seeing huge return of investments. If you want to know more about some of these use cases and some of these examples, check out our blog. Also, in general, follow our social media channels, check out the blog to hear about the next episodes of QuBites. Thanks for joining us today. Stay safe. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye. And thank you so much, Marco.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Bye.